Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Gemini Studio. First, navigate to the Gemini Studio platform using your Google account credentials. Once logged in, you'll see the main dashboard, which provides an overview of your projects and quick access to key features. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout and navigation menu on the left side. This will help you efficiently manage your creative endeavors. To start a new creative endeavor, simply locate and click the New Project button, usually found prominently on your dashboard. You'll then be prompted to choose between various templates or to begin with a blank canvas. Consider your project's goals when making this selection. Finally, give your project a clear, descriptive name and configure any initial settings, such as aspect ratio or target audience, to ensure a smooth workflow. Gemini Studio's powerful AI features can significantly enhance your creative process. You can generate compelling text or unique images by simply providing clear, concise prompts. Don't hesitate to refine the AI's output with more specific instructions to achieve your desired results. Once satisfied, seamlessly integrate this AI-generated content directly into your project, saving you valuable time and sparking new ideas. Once your project is complete, it's time to share your masterpiece with the world. Select your desired export format, such as MP4 or GIF, and choose the appropriate quality settings for your needs. Gemini Studio allows you to share your work directly to various platforms or generate a shareable link. You can also invite collaborators to review or contribute to your projects, fostering teamwork and feedback.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.